So, simple equation. We are going to understand the concept of simple equation. What is simple equation? Simple equation in one unknown x is in the form ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are known as constant and a is not equal to 0. Example, x plus 3 equal to 5. So when I solve it, I'll take the numbers on one side, variable on other side, so I'll get x equal to 2. So a simple equation will always have one unknown. One unknown means it will have only one variable, that is x or y or a or b, anything, but it will have only one unknown variable, and they have given the standard equation. The standard form of simple equation is ax plus b equal to 0. Ax plus b equal to 0 means ax means a is a constant, x is a variable, plus b equal to 0, where b is a constant. So example, 3x plus 4 equal to 0, 2y plus 2 equal to 0, a plus 6 equal to 0. So all these three examples we saw that it's a combination of one unknown and constant. And second thing, a simple equation has only one root. Now let us take an example, x plus 4 equal to 6, therefore x equal to 6 minus 4, therefore x equal to 2. So we got that value of x is 2. So a simple equation has only one root. So in the concept of simple equation, we understood two things. First, a simple equation will have one unknown x. The general form of the equation is ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are constant. And the second thing is, a simple equation has only one root. This is about simple equation. So now let us see a few examples to understand this concept. My problem number 1 is 5x minus 6 equal to 3x minus 8. So you can see in the question, it's a combination of variable and constant, but I got only one variable, or I can tell I got only one unknown, that is x. So this is an example of simple equation. So let us solve it. Five x minus 6 equal to 3x minus 8. So my question is 5x minus 6 equal to 3x minus 8. Now I have to take all the variables on the left hand side and all the constants on the right hand side. But when we do it, we have to check on the signs properly. Now 5x is already on the left hand side, so I have to write it as it is. Now 3x is a variable which is on the right hand side. Now I am going to take this 3x from right hand side to the left hand side. So plus 3x will become minus 3x equal to, now minus 8 is on the right hand side. So I am going to write it as it is. Minus 6 is on the left hand side. I am going to take into right hand side. So minus 6 will become plus 6. So 5x minus 3x is 2x. Minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2. X is minus 2 upon 2. So value of x equal to minus 1. And that's the solution for the problem. So this was a very simple equation, or I can tell it's a very simple example on simple equation.